Robbie.
Here's a big train track of Sodor. Goes through the hallway, around the corner into the living room, through our makeshift quarries. Because of course trains have to carry Legos and miniature pool balls. Then it goes into the playroom.
Oh, there goes Jesus person.
Alright. Goes around the playroom.
He's waiting on the lights are on the rails.
Through the door. Down the hallway again. What an awesome train track. Go ahead. Go ahead and tell me, JJ. That's the coolest train track you've ever seen, right? Right?
Right.
Right. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, Robbie. Say, that's the coolest train track I've ever seen. Say, oh, it's okay. Say, oh, get out of my way, Daddy. I'm playing. Cool train track.
There goes Damask. There goes James. There
Uh-oh. Robbie, James is getting away.
Help! But watch out, Thomas is coming.
Uh-oh.
Get the trains out the way.
It's going to be a crash. Yep, there's one way to get him out of the way. Way to clear the line.
That was
Oh no, James
That was close.
What? He's doing in here.